If you are someone who is interested in AI, then don't skip this video because Google has brought an amazing opportunity where you can learn AI, get cool swags completely free of cost, and get a chance to visit Google Office too. So before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. We are talking about build with AI. So as you know, AI is advancing. Here we have some hands-on training, and a lot of you are complaining that we want to attend events offline. We want to have a exposure of the events, meet Googlers who are hosting the event. So here finally we have an event which you can attend nearby to your house. Also there are some virtual events also. So whether you are interested in AI, cloud, mobile, virtual, all things are there. You can attend any of these events. You can see here, you can see all these cities, states, countries are listed over here. So what you can expect from this particular sessions, there'll be some practical hands-on training. You'll be learning about modern tech stack of the Google, and you'll be getting a chance to get connected with the Google developers also. So first of all, how to register? Before that, you need to understand that more than 1.7 lakh people have already been trained with this opportunity, and it is currently a global event. Means if you're watching from India, you can apply. If you're watching from different countries also, you can apply. It's global opportunity. Now coming over here, how to register for this opportunity? You can see here multiple events are out there, right? Also, we have a one more thing to attend. For example, you can click on join here over here directly, and here Google developer group will be activated. So you have two options. First of all, sign up over here, enter your personal details and authenticate with your Gmail account. It's very simple process. You have to authenticate with your Gmail account, allow all the permissions, just click on continue and allow all the permissions, and your account will be set up. So just click on done. So finally, okay, we are getting this type of error because we did one mistake. Just come back again, check this box, continue. Wait a second, just click on login over here. Directly come to join here over here. If you are getting error, the process is very simple. You have to click on sign up, authenticate. The problem came because I forgot to check that box. Now, once you have registered, you have to just RSVP. So just allow the permissions over here. Continue. Enter your basic details over here. Fill the form properly. Select your country. Okay, you can see multiple countries are there. Select your details, city you can mention. Then you can mention whether you are a student, working professional. You can just select other if it is not listed over here. Click on this checkbox and simply click on sign up. So this is how we completely, okay, my account is already there. So if your account is already listed, just sign in. I am just showing you the pathway how you have to do. You have to simply click on sign up. Your account will be created. Now let me just sign in directly. Now once you are signed in, you can see multiple events are there in different states, cities. You can find the city also. For example, you can see I'm searching for Delhi. Then you can see multiple events are here. Some of the events are paid, some of them are free. You need to check it. For example, I'm just checking this particular thing. So here you can see they have mentioned the campus also, and around 109 people already registered for it. They have shared the agenda and timings over here. So how to RSVP? Wait for the page to load. It will load properly. Then you have to click on RSVP. Mention your details one by one. And simply click on this checkbox. If it is asking compulsory as company name, you have to mention your college name, and it's done. This is how simple you have attended the event. If you want to apply for different opportunities, certification voucher, you can always navigate to the channel. We have covered multiple opportunities out here. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day.